Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome to your review. My name is Kimmy and today Aaron and I are going to be fixing, it's not necessarily remodeling, we're going to be fixing our bathroom floor. So we got stuff to do our floor. Be careful picking out stuff like this in the store because these are a lot heavier than they look. But that is what I got. It's like a white marble. It's kind of hard to see in the camera because it's white. But that's the one I picked out. 30 square feet. And it was $26, which is really good. That's all the tools you got. What, do you want to show them your tools? What do you want to show them?
Oh, yeah. Batteries, 4 amp hour and the 1.5 amp hour. Circular saw, drill, driver impact, rotary tool, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, which I have the blade off of it so I don't tear up my bag. I got an impact big set and drill bits and other accessories. And it came with a flashlight too.
And all of what came in the tool bag, it was a kit, and it was how much?
The drill bits didn't come with it.
Yeah.
But the 2 batteries and all the tools was.
For everything we got at Lowe's was $3. It was under $4. It was $3 something. And also
Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot. Sorry, I'm a Lowe's girl, but they didn't have this at Lowe's, so we went to Home Depot. Alright, so I wanted to show you the bathroom before we get started. So I do have to pull all this stuff out, of course. But as you can see here, this is the kind of board everything is on. And it was just like, I don't know what this is called, Aaron. Linoleum. So it's already came up pretty much everywhere. That's going to be really easy to get up. And then we have a mouse problem. So over here, the mouse has tried to get, I don't know how he's doing it, but he gets out underneath the bathtub and then pushes stuff out. So I have to come in here and pick all that up all the time. But I'm not doing it right now because all that's going to come up anyways. The toilet's going to come out, so it's easier for him to do everything. But we're basically replacing this floor, so I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff out of here.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it.
Alright, y'all, so that's what our floor looks like. No wonder why it's, I think the toilet's leaking. I think that's what it is. Anyways, yeah, it's okay. We're gonna fix it. That's what this video is for. So don't be ashamed if underneath your thing looks like that too. I hope it does.
It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm
Alright y'all, here's our bathroom as of right now. Obviously our toilet needs to go back there. Aaron replaced the wax ring and got new screws for it. And then also today I had to go to Lowe's and get stuff to fix the inside of the tank, because on the bottom left, like where that hose hooks into the toilet, there is a leak. So he said it was about time to change out everything in there. I don't know, like this isn't a terribly bad toilet in my opinion. We just got the new toilet seat for it, and then also I did like a deep clean on the toilet, so it looks really nice now. I told Aaron, I said, I really want to clean this toilet before you put it back, because like it's so hard to reach back there, you know, when you're trying to clean. So I said, let me take this time to clean it. So of course I did. I used this Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner. It's coming in very handy. And then that brush is filthy because I washed all the walls, because I'm going to be painting. I'm going to paint this room white. I got the High Tide white from Valspar. Hi. And then also today I have the adhesive counter cover coming, and a lot of y'all are curious to see how it works, so I will share that with you. If you are not following me on Instagram, I know I always say this, but you get behind the scenes looks of all the videos I film, or I just, you know, kind of chat with y'all that day. So very excited. This is a shower curtain we got. I'll have the shower curtain and this floor mat that I picked out. It's like a chenille. It's really nice and fluffy. I'll have everything that I can linked down below for you. But yeah, this is the floor we got from Lowe's. They're just tiles, so we also we're gonna paint first, and then we have to retrim everything, and then I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it's done. I'm super excited. So this is the paint I got. If you're curious, it's a semi-gloss interior in Hide white. Okay, 33716 if you are curious. But also, I know we showed y'all this piece of wood in the beginning of the video, but I forgot to show you what it looked like in the bathroom. But we replaced the entire floor except for one strip with this wood, because our floor was completely wet, and I'm surprised we did not fall in. So yeah, we replaced it with this. Let's see, it's hard to see, but it says Celix 23 by 32 or 4 by 8 pine plywood panel. So this worked out just fine. It was thick enough and everything, and of course we got a lot more work to do in this house before we're done, and we aim to do one project every 6 weeks, so it gives Aaron time to have free time, because he does work 5 days a week, and it is a very labor intensive job that he has, so I don't want to push him too much. So yeah, he did the bathroom all on his own. I'm gonna paint, but he also told me to get an extra paint roller, so I guess he can help me. I don't know, y'all. I try to help, but he just likes to do it a certain way, and I am not gonna step in the way of that. Alright y'all, so our bathroom is pretty much done. Our toilet is not in there yet because Aaron fixed it, but it's too heavy for me to pick up, and I just want to make sure it goes on there correctly, so I'll leave that for him. But I did the rest of the stuff. I put this back in here. So we have a small bathroom. I may put this here once the toilet is in here, but for now I'll put it there. So let me just show y'all the bathroom, and then I'll talk about everything.
one ever could come close. Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to.
Alright, so I'm going to point out a few flaws. I forgot that I didn't put enough here, so I'm going to have to go back and add more to that. So I tried to just do kind of farmhousey look with the cabinet, so I didn't want to make it like a stark white, so there is a little bit of like roughness to it, and I did do that on purpose. You will also see that there is no like these little pieces of wood. Aaron hasn't put those back yet because he wanted to wait until we were done painting, so that still needs to be done. The toilet still needs to go in, and then way up here on the ceilings, I did paint the ceiling, but our round brushes are too big to get in those tiny crevices, and I don't have a step ladder, so I'm gonna go buy the smaller round brushes and get up there and do that way. So here's the shower curtain. It's a fabric shower curtain. I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon links down below for y'all. We also used hide white. I think I told y'all that yesterday. This is an adhesive. As you can see, it's got some little bubbles. I honestly don't think I would suggest this. It could just be me and not knowing how to do it. That could be very well the case, but it could also be, it came in the roll and it was so rolled tight that it made it very difficult to do with one person. So you could do this with two people. I'll still leave the link down below if y'all want to check it out. It is what it says it is. It is an adhesive faux marble countertop, and I do really like it. I did a lot better on this side. As you can see, there's not many bubbles, but there's definitely some bubbles over here. I'm not hard to please, so that's okay with me. If you look up really close, you can still see some flowers. I don't mind that. If Aaron is annoyed by that, then I will do some touch-up spots, but I just didn't want to like use too much paint and then just keep going over and over, you know. Like at some point I just wanted to be able to stop. So this Gone Fishing sign is from Hobby Lobby. They probably still have it because y'all know I just got this and I didn't really know where to put it, so it's been in my kitchen. So I thought, oh my gosh, bathroom it is. That, some of y'all know, I got at Dollar General. They have some really cute spring decor right now. And then this right here is a over the toilet stand. My bedroom is a disgusting mess because it's basically been our dump pile for the past week now. We started on this bathroom Saturday or Sunday, and it is now Friday. So yeah, it took a long time, and we still have, like I said, we have to touch up all the little crevices up there, and Aaron still has to put the toilet in and put all the whatever those are called. He knows what they're called. Anyways, I even painted my light switch because everything was just so dingy in here, and now it's so bright and open. And I told Aaron I feel like it makes our bathroom look bigger than it was before. We also have plans on painting our bedroom white because y'all have seen in other videos, it's got a lot of cosmetic issues on the walls. Like, not really damaged, but just like where a kid probably painted or colored on the walls. I just want to really remove that, and I am going to try my best to get my bed in the middle of the bed in the bedroom instead of the corner, so it makes it easier on me when I'm cleaning up every day. So yeah, I'd say for our first job we did pretty good. If y'all started at the beginning of this video and you didn't skip to the end, then you would have seen what it looked like before. But I'm so pleased with this. I just feel really happy because it's not perfect. It's not for everyone, but it is for us. And I'm just kind of excited to come use the bathroom in here and take a shower. And I know whenever we redo our bedroom, I'm probably going to want to live in my bedroom all day. So that may not be a great thing, but I hope that this video was enjoyable. It was filmed across like 3 days, so I'm not really sure what the footage looks like, but yeah, I really hope y'all like it. Oh, also, these are doing great so far. These are on that regular smooth plywood that I showed you. I think it's plywood. And then this right here, I told you my bedroom's disgusting. This section right here is on particle board. Oh, also I'm in pajamas because I was painting. Your girl's not going to wear nice clothes to paint, okay? Let's be real, I never wear nice clothes. It's okay. But I think I'm just going to let y'all go. Hi. I'm a little excited today because I feel like today is the day that I can finally use my toilet. My toilet. Look, there's paint on me. The other bathroom is Aaron's bathroom, and I can't stand his toilet. It's just so much lower to the ground than ours. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited for a new toilet to get here. Don't worry if you think that's dirty. Aaron said it's wax. So I'm just going to trust. We're going to trust that it's wax and nothing else. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really should read a comment today, but I'm going to end it here. I will catch up on your comments in the next video, which will be Monday. So I will see y'all back here then.
When we wake,
bye.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.